Welcome to the Queen's Court. This is Andrea Mason. Hope everyone is well. Just wanted to come to you with my Christmas tablescape. Just wanted to show you what I put up for the holidays. Okay. All right. This is my third time recording this. I'm going to get it right. I'm going to get it right. Because I am determined. Yes. Okay. Okay. Centerpiece I'll put together. Okay. Alrighty. I love this little centerpiece I put together. Just shopping your home. Yes, I love it. Love shopping my home for certain things. Okay. I'm gonna show you where I tell you where I got everything from. Okay. Pier 1 for the napkin ring. For the napkins, I got these at Marshall's. Okay. Bowl from Dollar Tree. I got this here from the Dollar Tree. The salad plate. Okay. And the plate came from Goodwill, but it came from Home Goods. $3.99 a piece. But I got the whole set. And I got this here from the Dollar Tree. Okay. I got a set of 4 of these with 2 salad plates, which are these right here. I'm sorry, I got to go over here and take this. But I didn't have 4 of them, so I just put them like in 2. Yes, and 2 of these. With 4 salad forks, 4 dinner forks, 4 knives, 4 spoons for $4.99. I was like, I grabbed it up so quick. I was like, I don't care if it don't have the 2, nothing but 2 salad plates were missing. But yeah, I got that set for $4.99. Yeah, from Goodwill. Yep. And I got these right here from Marshall's for $4.99 each. I got this poinsettia here from the Dollar Tree years ago for $1. These here candle sticks right here came with that set for $4.99. For $4.99. Yeah, that was in the set for $4.99. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. I really, really like that. Look at that. It's got the gold in there. I love gold. Yes, I do. I absolutely love gold. It's just something about gold. And then I mix my metals too, so yeah. These candle stick holders came from Goodwill. I think I paid $1.99. No, $2.99 for 2 of them. It was in a plastic bag. These here balls came from the dollar store years ago. Yeah, about 3 years ago. And this here, these fruit, they were different colors, you know, like the pears and the apples and I believe that's a fig maybe? I don't know. Or either the kiwi? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not going to start lying. I'm not even going to start lying. But anyway, it came in a bag for like $2.99. I brought them home and spray painted them gold. And yes, I did. I spray painted them gold. Look at that. I spray painted these bad boys gold. Yes, I did. I love it. Spray painted them gold. So pretty. So pretty. Yeah, hair spray painted gold. I even sprayed the leaves gold. Thought that was so nice. All the different fruit. Look at that. Right? Yes. The gold flowers in this here centerpiece here that I just put right on top of there. Just put right on top of there. That came from Good Stuff over in PA. I think I paid $3.50 for it. So look at the gold around it. I love that gold and that flower. Yeah. And look at the little glass crystals in this here. I like that. Very pretty. Very pretty. Very pretty. And I got the cake pedestal, I guess, from I believe it was from Marshall's for $10. Yeah, I paid $10 for that. That's what it looked like underneath there. $10. But yeah, it's just something that I just put together. I love creating and, you know, trying to put things together and shopping my home. You know, just putting it together. Yep. Yeah, but this is my Christmas tablescape. And these pillows, I think I got them from Dollar General a few years back. And I just put like the ribbon from the Dollar Tree and just tied it in the back. Just tied it in like a little bow in the back. Yeah. These pillows, when I seen them, I was like, oh, these are nice. Like something you can get at Home Goods or somewhere, you know. Or Marshall's. Yep, so yeah, I think those pillows was like $8 a piece, 8 or 10, something like that. Yeah, a few years back I got those. Yep, and I just put that on there. But this is my tablescape. It's my tablescape. Yep. I want to say happy holidays to everyone. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. And Happy New Year. Thank you so much. Thanks to my new subscribers. And I want to say it's just nice to be nice. God bless you.